Hey everyone, this is Suraj, and today I'm going to show you how to generate AI presentations with API from Presenton. So, Presenton is this open source tool that helps you generate beautiful AI presentations with API. So, for this video, I'll go through this tutorial over here. I'll add link to this guide in the video description below. I highly suggest you check out the video we put up earlier that talks about setting up Presenton and gives you an idea of what Presenton is. Now, moving forward with this tutorial, you should install a Docker in your system, and then you should make sure that Docker is running on your system. I'm using Linux, so if you're using Windows or if you're using Mac, you should set up Docker accordingly. Then we should try to now run Presenton on our system. So we'll just use Google for this, and I'll create a new tab on my Linux system, on Linux terminal, and then I'll just paste the command, copy it from here. If you're using Windows, you should copy Windows command, and if you want to use other API keys, you can just go into environment variable, and then you can configure API keys as per your provider. Now I'll just use Google for now because it's cheap and everything is free, at least for now. So let me just go into Google, and then I'll just copy. You need to make sure you add your API key over here. So I'll add the API key over here, and then run the command and hope Docker runs. So Docker is running now. Now let's move on to our next step in our tutorial, and that is you can configure environment variables as per your requirements, provider requirements. And moving next, we are going to make a call to Presenton's API to generate our presentation. So here is the URL, the endpoint where we should send our post request, and here is the format for the request. So yeah, so this is the URL, and in the body we have a few things over here. We have a prompt, the prompt that we give to generate AI presentation, and slides, number of slides we want to generate, language, theme, export as Presenton supports exporting as PPTX and PDF as well, so we can get that. But we can add more things over here. We can add documents as well. So if you want to generate presentation from existing document, it can be in either of these formats. So it can be a PDF or PPTX, Google Docs, or text file. So we can generate from that as well. Yeah, and for theme, we have multiple themes option available over here. In coming release, we are going to have custom theme as well. So that will be over here as well. So if you are watching it after, sometimes that you might find some changes in the documentation. So now let's just make a very simple request to our running Presenton server. I'll just create a new tab in my terminal. So it should be a multi-part request that you should do. So if you're using something like JavaScript, or if you're using something like Postman or Insomnia, you should do as form data. So you should keep in mind with that. I'll just use curl for now for like simple testing. I'll change pptx to pdf so that we can test it easily in the browser itself. It might take some time to generate presentation. It will take around a minute or two to generate presentation, because like generating presentation involves a lot of step, right? Generating text, generating AI images, and then picking out icons. So it will take some time. Be patient with it. Okay, our AI presentation has been generated. So we've got a few things over here. We've got presentation ID, that is the UID of the presentation, automatically generated. Then we've got the path. So it is the static path of the file that was generated. And then we've got the edit path. So this is something unique with us. With this, what you can do is you can go to the UI and then edit things and export presentation on your own. So I'll just test. Let's test for path. We'll test everything one by one. I might have to append the base URL over here, prepend the base URL, and we've got presentation on machine learning. So here is the presentation. Next, what I want to do is I want to check the, sorry, I want to check the generated presentation and make some changes to it. I want to add machine learning and then maybe AI. So, and maybe I want to change the theme of this presentation. So make it a royal blue for instance. And let's export as PDF. Okay, so we've got the edited export as well. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or any queries or any issues, you can comment it down below. Do like this video, do subscribe this channel, but most importantly, star us. It kind of encourages us to contribute more to this amazing project. I hope you have a good day and see you next time.